It's a no-brainer that there are many benefits of healthy food. Consuming foods rich in nutrients help your body function smoothly. Being in good health is the real wealth you must invest in, while your life is becoming busier and your food habits are deteriorating. It is never too late to start eating healthy to reverse all the ill effects of an unhealthy lifestyle. Healthy eating has a plethora of benefits that last a lifetime. It has a positive impact on one's physical and mental well-being. Here's a list of benefits of consuming healthy foods. Check them out. Helps lose weight. Obesity and excess body weight are global health issues. Thankfully, healthy eating can help reduce this problem. Consuming more green vegetables, whole fruits, healthy fats, lean protein, and whole grains helps lower calorie intake, increase satiety, and lower BMI. Healthy eating also helps balance the hunger hormones, improves insulin sensitivity, and maintains normal thyroid function, which aids weight loss and helps you live a healthy life. Helps manage diabetes. Type 2 diabetes affects millions of people worldwide, irrespective of age. Unhealthy eating habits, obesity, insulin resistance, and genetic factors may lead to diabetes type 2. Changing your eating habits and lifestyle can certainly help reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes and related complications. Avoid consuming sugary and junk foods. Eat healthy greens, beans, low glycemic index foods, dark chocolate, and healthy snacks to keep your cravings and hunger pangs at bay. Improves heart health. Excessive consumption of unhealthy foods, alcohol, and smoking leads to an unhealthy heart. The cholesterol and triglyceride levels rise and cause heart blockage, ultimately weakening the heart muscles. Eating healthily by including fresh green vegetables, fruits, fruit juices, and plant sources of protein in your diet. Limiting the intake of meat and avoiding junk food, animal fat, and sugary foods helps reduce cholesterol and improve heart health. Decreases cancer risk. Cancer is the second leading cause of death worldwide. An unhealthy lifestyle and genetic factors can cause the cells in your body to divide exponentially, leading to abnormal cell functions. Researchers have found that consuming organic and unprocessed foods is the best way to keep cancer at bay. There are certain foods that have nutrients that may inhibit cancer progression. These include berries, watermelon, broccoli, cabbage, tomato, garlic, turmeric, ginger, and leafy greens. Increases immunity. A healthy immune system helps keep infectious diseases, autoimmune diseases, and the common flu at bay. It aids in faster recovery and healing. Consume foods that are loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Eating healthy foods like blueberries, strawberries, oranges, grapefruit, leafy greens, carrot, tomato, cheese, milk, fatty fish, herbs, and spices helps improve your immunity. Boosts brain health. Healthy eating boosts brain health and elevates your mood. Foods loaded with omega-3 fatty acids help maintain the cell membrane and normal brain function and facilitate synaptic plasticity. These foods are used as diet therapy for people suffering from dyslexia, attention deficit disorders, schizophrenia, depression, and bipolar disorder. Improves digestion. Vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and probiotics are essential for maintaining good gut health and improving digestion. Dietary fiber is found in fruits and vegetables. Dietary fiber cannot be digested by humans, but good gut bacteria ferment it, which helps them thrive and survive. Dietary fiber also adds bulk to the stool and improves bowel movement, thereby reducing constipation. Probiotics like yogurt, buttermilk, kimchi, probiotic drinks, and sauerkraut help add more good gut bacteria, which, in turn, help improve digestion. Strengthens teeth and bones. Eating healthy also helps strengthen bones and teeth. Fish, milk, tofu, soy, leafy greens except for spinach, oranges, soaked beans, and nuts are great sources of calcium. You must also get morning sun or eat egg yolks, liver, and saltwater fish for vitamin D. Delays aging. Eating healthy foods has a direct impact on how fast you age. Fresh greens, fruits, lean protein, fatty fish, whole grains, green tea, herbs, and spices are loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and omega-3 fatty acids that help flush out the harmful free oxygen radicals from the body. This, in turn, helps maintain the DNA structure and slow down the aging process. Improves skin health. Unhealthy oily junk food leads to breakouts and acne. The key to getting healthy skin is drinking water, green tea, and coconut water, and eating fruits, vegetables, fatty fish, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Consume foods loaded with vitamin A, C, D, and E and omega-3 fatty acids, and avoid trans fats and sugary foods. Also, maintain good hygiene, and you will start to see an improvement in your skin.
That's it for today. Check out the channel for more health and weight loss content. You can also purchase our weight loss course. And please, like and subscribe to be notified of our next tip. See you next time.